my channel. My name is Atri and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, beauty, sometimes fashion as well. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, as you all know that internet is going gaga over like Korean makeup, Korean skincare, Korean food and everything. So seriously, today I am here to talk about a brand and specifically their products who are giving us a chance to try out Korean skincare, and that brand is none other than Pilgrim. To send me stuff from their newly launched retinol skincare line. So the very first thing which I have is their retinol night cream, and the other one which I have is their retinol under eye cream. Now if you don't know what retinol is, so retinol is a substance which helps us producing collagen, and it is generally present in fruits. So you know, this is very good for our skin, and retinol is to be used people above 30, or if you are 28 in your late 20s, then you can start with your retinol. But if you are in your early 20s, I would not recommend using retinol on your skin. Retinol is for matured skin, for aged skin, or if you are aging. And I am so glad that, you know, in such an affordable price we get to try retinol infused products. So let's just unpack these products and let's see how they look like. So this is how the products came into, so in a very beautiful blue box. Now talking about retinol, it enhances skin renewal, enhances collagen reduction, and also prevents wrinkle formulation and exfoliates for an even smooth complexion. So it regulates the production of sebum as well. Now talking about the retinol cream, it enhances the skin's elasticity, preserves the tone and diminishes signs of aging to maintain a youthful glow. Now the under eye cream also comes in a blue packaging like so. So the under eye cream, it reduces puffiness and darkness under the eyes. It reduces the appearances of fine lines, crow's feet and wrinkle. So the key ingredient and hero ingredient of these products are retinol, which definitely evolves our skin if it is used on right time. Now the key ingredient of these two products are retinol, of course, and hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So let's talk about hyaluronic acid a bit. So if you don't know, hyaluronic acid is one of my favorite I would say ingredients to have in any product. Now that works like a humectant, that it absorbs moisture from the air and give back to your skin, and it is very important to lock it with a moisturizer. But with Pilgrim retinol night cream, you have retinol and you have vitamin C, and you also have hyaluronic acid. So this is 3-in-1 product, and definitely the fragrance of this product is super soothing, I would say. Yeah, it is very soothing. And if I talk about the texture is super light. It is very light and amazing. It feels amazing on the skin, and I have been trying these products for past 7 days, and yeah, definitely I can see that it feels very soft. The next morning my skin felt super duper hydrated, and because it has vitamin C also, so it just helps in reducing those blemishes from your skin. It also helps in reducing any type of I would say darkness you have in your skin, and vitamin C also boosts collagen, and it also you know, fights free radicals. So if you are someone who is in your 20s as well, you can start with vitamin C. So I feel the mixture of these three ingredients make these two products my favorite products, and if you don't know, I have used Pilgrim's other products as well, so I know that this is an amazing cream. So this does have secrets of Jeju Island, so yeah, what else you need for. Talking about the pricing, they are very affordable. So the cream retails for 500 rupees for 50 grams of product, and if I talk about the under eye cream, it just retails for 400 rupees for 30 grams of product. And you can definitely get these two in combo if you like to introduce retinol. So retinol can break you out, but to my surprise, this cream did not break me out. The texture is super light and super non-greasy, both the things, like the under eye cream and this particular night cream as well. So they just feel super duper light on your skin. Even if you are having oily skin type, or if you have dry skin type, it will suit both of the skin types, or I would say all the skin types. Now talking about the application part, so normally what I do is I wash my face at night and I apply the night cream first, and I do leave a little bit of area like from here, because under eye creams are specifically made for your under eyes, so they are I would say doctor tested as well, and they are good for sensitive eyes also. So never apply your night cream directly under your eyes, and you can apply after that. I apply under eye cream because that way I feel comfortable that way. So you definitely can go any way around, that depends on you, but I prefer that way. And when I apply the cream, I try to just massage the cream into my face like so in upward direction, and to apply the cream, under eye cream, I do like to use my ring finger, so that you will see in the application part. So let's just move towards the application part now. Now I'm very glad to let you know that these products from Pilgrim are FDA approved, and they are free from 20 harmful chemicals. You can definitely go onto their website and check what all toxic chemicals they are talking about. And like I also talked about the key ingredients, so they have hyaluronic acid, retinol and vitamin C, and these three are very beneficial for our skin. So retinol is very beneficial for aged skin, or the skin which is going to be aged like after 30s. And if I talk about vitamin C is an amazing ingredient to have in your skincare, just to fight from free radicals and wrinkles and blemishes. And talking about hyaluronic acid, it also boosts collagen, and if you have dry skin, even if you have oily skin type, you must include hyaluronic acid, because it just gives moisture and water back to your face, and your face looks very plumpy. It plumps your face instantly, that I have seen. Now I would like to use these products at night only. So wash your face, use the cream and then the night cream, whatever way you feel like, whichever way you feel like. And that's it, and leave that on. And when you get up the next morning, make sure to use a sunscreen, because retinol is a potent ingredient, so you don't want to you don't want to play with your skin's barrier. So make sure you use a sunscreen properly the next day. And other than that, you don't have to worry about the application or anything. Just make sure to use a sunscreen the day after. Okay, now talking about the product, my experience in these 7 days, I have been using these products for 7 days only. So I have just used the Pilgrim product. I haven't used any other product, for that matter. So I would definitely like to say that the fragrance is super smoothing, and when I apply it, it feels it's such in consistency is so that it just feels that I am applying water on my face. Feels super refreshed, and when I get up the next morning, I just feel so much of moisture in my face, and my face becomes very plump, and my under eyes, like, they are also plump. I don't have puffy under eyes after using the night cream. So I'm someone who always lays around, like never use the under eye cream, because I am like, so I just forget, I just a little bit lazy. But definitely when I use this cream, I did see a difference in my under eyes, because my under eyes are always puffy and swollen, but after using this cream, I didn't have those things. So yeah, super good for that. Okay guys, that was about it. This was my honest opinion. So definitely check out the description box for more details and for the website and everything. So if you want, you can give this thing a try, and specifically if you are in your late 20s, you definitely include retinol in any form of skincare. I am sure that you will love it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I love you guys a lot. Bye.